Hey y'all, welcome back. It's time to turn this house into a Pinterest board. Come along and clean with me. The little creases, crevice, and corners is what we're going to focus on today. Ah, yes, the rare wild dust bunny. They multiply when ignored, but today they've met their match. The cobwebs. It's time to wipe the walls and clear the cobwebs.
It's hard to carry after dark. You're to blame for what we could have been, cause look at what we are. Your friends are scared to tell you you went too far. Funny that it's always been all about you from the start. I met someone new last night and we kicked it, and I'm going back there tonight. You know what's on my mind this time. Going back there tonight, and you know what's on my mind. teenage fever. I'm not scared, bitch, me ain't either. Eyes thinking cats, I should've stayed. Cause you know what's on my mind, so we hit the club, niggas cups full of jealous. We in the bag and we might get a tear. And I'm with a bad bitch and I got in the deal. Oh yeah, I'm still saying this bitch knows I miss it all. She gets down just like miss it all. Run the block, she's not holding shots. That bitch bad, watch her blow back. She gets away. She wasn't on a run, now she want on a run. You see the dark skin girls with the light skin crews. Yeah, I used to you. But she the light skin girl with the light skin crew. You're one of the three, I'm still saying this bitch knows that crazy love. She gets down just like crazy love. Run the block, she's not holding shots. That bitch bad, watch her blow back. It's away. Every time,
before.
Fuck the world, I'ma walk in erection. Speed without a thought, we do it reckless. Your nigga call us texting. You said, baby, don't be mad, you know how bread is.
Open your mouth, you speak good to me. I ain't built like him. Fucking with a G. Just cause I fuck you, that don't.
Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.
I hope, baby. If I'm crazy, I'll tell you about me.
I was nothing at all. Took a trip.
I hope.